Hey guys, this is Jimmy from jimmysdiy.com. Today's project is simply changing the old control panel for the sprinkler system with the new RainMachine Mini 8, which I bought from Lowe's for $150 plus tax. So this is fairly smart and Wi-Fi capable, as opposed to not user-friendly. The one that I have is from, like, I believe 2000. So I'm going to go ahead and upgrade this to RainMachine. I took the cover off from here just to show you what's how the wires are connected on RainMachine, as opposed to majority of those what are screw connected. So I'm going to show you the interface off it a little bit. So you can see the numbers. The first two are 24 volt, and these are the push pins for the wire locks. Basically the wire goes in each respective hole. You press the push pin up on top, the locking pin, and it locks the wire in there. And the last three are for rain sensor common, plus the two wires from the rain sensor, hardware rain sensor. So each wire for the respective zone goes in, and this RainMachine Mini can handle up to 8 zones. I have 5 zones, so existing control panel, which I'm going to remove and show you, walk you through a step-by-step process how you could remove and change this. I'm going to go ahead and zoom and then show you up here in the center. I have a screw here which I'm going to remove, and I'll walk you through which one are the wires for the solenoid and which one is a power line wire. Here, as you can see, the colorful wires from the white fat wire which I have right here. These are the solenoid wire, and then the brown wire where I'm pointing around right now, that's power line wire. So make sure before you do anything here, you want to unplug the control panel, which I did here, and make sure the other power line adapter is not connected for the RainMachine. And from here it's fairly simple. I have screws in here that shows each wire connected, and I'm going to remove this, basically each wire. So what you simply do is unscrew these screws and then pull the wire off. And for making your life a little bit easier, you might want to take a picture of these wires if you care how your zones are set up, which one is a zone 1, zone 2 respectively. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the wires. Alright, so these are basically my solenoid wires which I need, and I'm not going to connect this. I'm going to change the power line adapter for the RainMachine. And to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to install this over here, and I'm going to use my I'm going to remove the screws, and I'm going to follow the holes in here, the screw mount holes, and I'm going to pre-drill the holes so it's easier. I'm just going to leverage my gun here to make my life a little bit easier. Alright, now that I got the holes ready, I'm going to basically connect these wires into my RainMachine, and we get the ball rolling from that point on. So simply I'm going to use my small flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to put this wire up here. This is the black wires from the adapter, the 24 volt adapter that I got. So I'm going to basically put in respective hole, which is the first one, and press the lock to push the wire in. That's it. And then you're going to follow the steps for each wire. So I just connected my black common and my zone 1, which is the orange with white stripe on it. And then I have a black wire, which is my zone 2. I have to use red one. This is my zone 3 red stripe with the white stripe, and then followed by red one, solid red, which is my zone 4. I'm going to put that in wire, and followed by, I'm going to do my zone 5 wire. So it's fairly simple. All the wires are connected, and I'm going to basically mush it up here and screw these in. That's connected. Simply, at this point, keeping the wire nice and neat, you just connect it, put your cover on top, and that's it. It's connected, and I'm going to go ahead and plug the power outlet. And there, it's just powered on. So that's it. Fairly simple. I hope you like my video, and if you do, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and have a good day, guys. Thank you very much.